Okay, watch out and see how I So what I do first is to divide my hair into 4 equal parts. Then I pick one part, comb it out properly and make sure it is very soft. Now I divide the other one part into as many as I want. Sometimes I can divide, you can divide it into 8 or into 6 or into 10. It depends on how big or how tiny you want the braids to be. So I bring down my extension and open it, bring it out and divide the extension into different bits and segments also. Make sure I divide it properly and make sure it's equal sizes. I put back the band so that it doesn't obstruct me when I'm making braids. I apply some gel and cream to lay down the hair properly. I roll it, I comb it out so that the tips would be I'll be opening the second one of the taking this out. Try again to divide the extension into different bits so that it will be easy for me to pick when I start making the braids. back part. Now the next thing is I comb out the front part, make sure it's combed out properly so that it will be easy for me to manipulate when I start making the braid. Now I divide my hair again into different segments, holding it down with a bobby pin, or you can hold it down with a clip so that it doesn't come in the way of the next hair when you start braiding. Ensure you cut it before you start braiding. This will make sure it will help you to know what. Ensure you cut it to be very smooth and clean. You can use a mirror if you want to, a front or back mirror, but I do not use a mirror here anyway. But make sure you cut it evenly and make sure the lines are straight. Best braid expression in an expression collection I'm using. This is it. So it has this is color 30. This one to buy is color 30 expression collection. So I divide the hair into different segments again so that it will be easy for me to pick when I start making the braid. So I divide the hair into different segments again so that it will be easy for me to pick when I start making the braid. my hot water to straighten the hair so that the hair is going to be straight and going to look silky in my hand. So the next thing I do is to apply a hair mask randomly over the hair. This will help to lay down and straighten all the hairs or strands that are coming out, and it makes the hair looks laid very well. So I apply my braid sheen spray, which helps to soften my scalp and also suits tightness. Enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the installation of my braids. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and catch you in my next video.